Same prompt, same application. Antigravity has stopped and I will be giving to Antigravity. This is pretty much better also in Antigravity, and Oasis will incorporate this thing. Left side shows the Oasis and the right one shows Antigravity. Hey everyone, welcome back to another session by Cyberix Labs, Tanishk here. And in this video, we will be talking about Antigravity, Google's new AI coding IDE, and it's been over a week now. Antigravity is all over the internet. Every other creator is talking about Antigravity, making some tutorials or reels or giving some reviews. So we thought, why not we? And this tutorial or the video will not be the same as the tutorials revolving around anti-gravity. It will be a pure vibe coding competition between Oasis AI and anti-gravity. Same prompt, same application, and both of the tools on the same screen side by side, so that it is a fair competition. And at the end of this video, we can know which AI tool can help us out building the applications much more faster, much more precisely with the production ready code. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the computer screen now. So here we are on the screen, and the left side shows the Oasis and the right one shows anti-gravity. And now let's begin with the prompting, and we will be building a finance tracker. So let's begin with the Oasis first, and here I will be toggling the sidebar, and from here I will be choosing this Next.js. And now here I will be giving the project name as finance tracker, and a description or a prompt as a finance tracker application where I can add or delete my credits and debits and get a weekly insight on my net profit or loss. Okay, and yes, the weekly insight should be measured on day scale from Monday, Tuesday till Sunday. Okay, so I will be copying this same prompt and I will be giving to anti-gravity. In the anti-gravity, I will also be adding the tech stack that I require. So build this application using Next.js and TypeScript. Okay, and here in the Oasis also I will be selecting the TypeScript, and let's submit the configuration for the Oasis and as well as for the anti-gravity. Let's submit it. So yes, Oasis has started building the application. It is analyzing your requirement and thinking what needs to be built. And on the other hand, anti-gravity has started analyzing and also giving us the results. So let's wait for both and let's see what they provide us. Okay, so thought process, beginning creation. Okay, so anti-gravity has given some of the tasks that it will be following through this application creation. Create a Next.js application using this. Okay, yes, I will accept all. Okay, I have accepted it. I think it has not been started yet. Okay, so Oasis is building it, but anti-gravity is stopped in between or what? Okay, I will be prompting it. The task list is perfect. Proceed further with the building application. Okay, so yes, I have given another prompt to the Antigravity to proceed further with the task list. It has started executing. Okay, I will accept it, and it has started executing npx command for the Next.js project to build the Next.js application, right? And here is the implementation plan. Initializing Next.js app, finance tracker, lucid react it will be using. Okay, and these will be the components: transactions, add transaction, delete transaction, get weekly summary. Let's see. Okay, Oasis is still building it, and it is on the third phase now, designing the global styles. So Oasis provides you the final product in one go, but with the Antigravity you need to keep interacting what it is doing. I think this is pretty much better also in Antigravity, and Oasis will incorporate this thing. Let's see what they both produces. Okay, I think I need to accept this also. I will be accepting it, and Antigravity is still working, loading. Okay, so I think this is pretty much good thing, and from the developers point of view, because they can know beforehand what your AI will be doing, so this is nice. Okay, I will be accepting it, but giving accept all, reject in every stage is something, because I'm not reviewing it right in every stage. This much is perfect, but in every point, in every stage, it is somewhat I think irritating also. Okay, it is installing the dependencies. No, it is creating the next application right now. Okay, so Oasis has already provided us the project, and we need to inject it. So yes, I have injected it, and Oasis has opened up the terminal, and let's okay, so the terminal is open up, and Oasis has automatically ran the npm install command to install all the required dependencies. And this is the finance tracker application with all the components here, and the app folder structure with layout, page.tsx, and everything. Okay, so let's see if Oasis was able to build and this fast. Let's see this. And Antigravity is still, I think, building the application. Yes, let's see the Antigravity for now until Oasis finishes with installing all the dependencies, and then Oasis will automatically run your npm run dev command as well. Okay, so let's see what Antigravity is doing. Initializing Next.js application. Checked command status, send input to the command. I think still it is on the initializing phase only. Further work has not been started yet. Okay, so let's see the folder if we have got any. Yes, so we have the public files. It is still been initializing. Let's see for the Oasis dependencies are been installing currently. Okay, so still it is initializing the application. We have layout file. Okay, currently it is just a normal Next.js application, the raw application that you build with npx next command. This is that application currently. No further code about the finance tracker has been injected over here. So it is just a normal application as of now. And here also the dependencies are still been installing. Okay, something has worked here again. Waiting for the command completion. Okay, let's wait. Here Oasis also is still installing the dependencies. Let's wait until this installs completely, right? So there is some good news because Oasis has completed the task and everything is installed and we have got the URL. But the bad news is I don't know why, but Antigravity has stopped. So I will be prompting it again. I have got boiler plate for my Next.js application. Now let's work towards my desired finance tracker application as discussed in the workflow. Okay. uh, agent execution terminated due to model provider overload. Okay, I will come back to this anti-gravity. Let's first open the link over here. Let's go to the browser what Oasis has provided us. Until it is been loaded, let's move here. Agent terminated. Okay, I will be retrying. I think I should go towards the new chat. I will be copying this and going towards the new chat. I will be pasting it. So I have my boiler plate Next.js application. Now let's work towards building the desired application. Let's see if it works now. I have given the prompt. Let's see if it works. Until then, okay, this is the UI. You can see what Oasis has provided us. Okay, so here finance dashboard, add transactions, weekly net profit and loss, everything is here, and the transaction I think will be added here. So so it is on the credit right now. Let's give the amount, which is 200, and let's uh, give the date as this and add transaction. Okay, so the transaction has been added. The delete option is also here, we will be checking it. And today is the Tuesday, so this is the transaction. Let's add the debit right now, and the debit will be 3000 and date same. So let's add this. So okay, minus 3000, and yes, on the Tuesday, so the net loss it is showing to me. And if I cross it, okay, now it is again the net profit. So I think everything is working perfect and very much smooth. So let's give the amount here and let's clear also. So it has been clearing also. So I think with just a simple prompt that I have given, Oasis has worked pretty much well. So one input that is missing for me, while adding the transaction, there should be a description also, so that I can mark like 200 on my food got debited, or the credit amount for which thing it was, right? So that is one point that Oasis uh, should have focused on while building. Other than that, what the prompt I gave, according to that, things are working pretty much well. If I add 6,000 as the credit amount and add the today's date, add transaction, right? And if I add the debit amount on 5,000 on yesterday's date and add the transaction, okay, so yesterday December 1, add the transaction, and yes, so the loss was 5,000, and I think all these are working pretty much well. So now let's move towards the anti-gravity, and you have seen how Oasis works and how efficient it is. I think in just 3-4 minutes we have got this output, and the UI is also pretty much cool, modern, smooth. It is working, right? Now let's move towards the anti-gravity. I don't know why it is not working for me. Anti-gravity, what are you doing? Planning mode. Agent will execute task directly, used for simple task that to be completed faster. But I need the complete application, then I require the planning mode, right? Oh, I don't know why it has stopped working. Okay, so I think it has started replying. God, let's wait now. Exploring the code base, I am starting to explore the code base to understand the existing boilerplate. Okay, nice. Reading the configuration file dependencies. Okay, so it has been started working. Now let's wait for what a anti-gravity provides us. Till then, um, uh, I think this UI is pretty much good. Everything you have a simple toggle. This is also pretty much good, right? Credit, debit, amount you can add, you can clear from here, you can delete, and everything is like working very much smooth. If you delete from here, and everything is affecting here as well in this component, right? So the folder structure is also pretty much perfect. Layouts and the page file, I think things are working perfect here, right? Now let's see what anti-gravity is doing. Okay, so I think the new plan anti-gravity has provided us goal for the description, build a finance tracker. Okay, local storage using recharts, transactions, transaction context, add transaction, delete transaction, use effects. Okay, fine, fine. Transactions weekly. Okay, it is fine. It is still working. Here it is showing working. Is anti-gravity again building any new application here? Analyzing transaction form.tsx and its dependencies. Okay. So yes, finally something we have got from the anti-gravity as well. The components are here and transaction form it is building now. Yes, so we are waiting for the output. Okay, so the components like summary cards, transaction forms, every component is here. Okay, anti-gravity, come on, build it, build it faster, faster. Why it is this much slow? So good news again. Anti-gravity says I have completed the finance tracker application. You can run npm run dev to start using it. Okay, so I need to run this manually. Npm run dev. Okay, let's wait for this to run, and here it is. And let's open up the link now. Okay, so yes, this is the application that anti-gravity has provided. So finance tracker, manage your finances and track your weekly updates. So here the description is here. This is nice. So food I will be giving it, and debit I will be doing 200 at the transaction. Okay, so minus 200, and here it is nice. And salary I will be crediting as, let's say, 4000, and credit, add credit. Okay, so it is overall as green. So yes, UI is pretty much good and it is cool. uh, and here the delete option is also here, nice, so I can delete it, and this is working. So I think things are working pretty much well also. But the case with anti-gravity was, in my case it has stopped working, I don't know why. And the other thing, it is bit slow. All these walkthrough and the implementation plan are perfect that anti-gravity gives us, but in each and every step it tells us to accept this or reject. That is, I think, pretty much irritating for me. And now uh, the UI that Oasis has provided, this is also pretty much cool. You can delete, you can add, you can see your overall updates. So if I debit here 4000 and add today's date, add the transaction, so then you can see you have the loss for this much, right? So I think both uh, the tools worked pretty much well for this prompt, and I hope you got the complete clear view about how Oasis work and about how the anti-gravity works. And now you can choose your path, you can choose your tool, and continue with your coding journey. So stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI. Happy coding.